AutoCAD Electrical gives you a huge icon menu full of symbols, but sooner or later you'll need to create something custom. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own custom relay symbol directly inside Symbol Builder, step by step, exactly as I'm doing it on screen. On the Schematic tab, Symbol Builder is found under Other Tools. First, it asks you for symbol name, attribute template, objects to include, insertion point. Right now, we don't have any geometry yet, so I leave everything empty. We'll deal with the insertion point later. Click OK to continue. Now we're inside Symbol Builder. You'll see the Symbol Builder attribute editor and the block authoring palettes. This is our blank canvas for building the symbol. I start by drawing a 20 by 20 square. This will be the main relay coil outline. Next, I add two circles on opposite sides of the square. These circles are just guides to help position the coil terminals A1 and A2. To make the circles sit cleanly on the edges, I use break to open the square on both sides. Now the circles align perfectly with the coil outline. This gives us a clean, recognizable relay coil shape. Now we add wire connection points. I click Add Wire Connection and place the first one on the left side of the symbol. It comes in on the left type, that's correct. Then I place another connection point on the right side. This one needs to be changed to the right type. Symbol Builder allows you to add multiple wire connections of the same time in a sequence, but in this case I only have two. These connection points are what allows wires to trim, connect, and behave correctly. Symbol Builder automatically creates terminal attributes term01 and term02. I will add default values of A1 and A2. These default values make the terminals appear correctly when the symbol is inserted. Now I add the standard AutoCAD Electrical attributes and set their default values. Tag 1 will be K. Manufacturer I put Schneider Electric. Catalog number I'll put Custom Special X. I'll add descriptions Custom Relay, Special Project, and 24 volt DC. I select all required attributes and place them neatly in the top left corner of the symbol. Then I tidy up by moving X reference and descriptions upward so they don't overlap with the terminal on the left side. I also move assembly code and family outside the square so the coil stays clean. Then I move the whole thing closer to 0, 0. Not exactly on 0, 0, but just for tidiness. Everything is now organized and readable. With the symbol ready, I click Close the block editor. AutoCAD Electrical now asks for a base point. I choose Specify on Screen, symbol name. First I chose Control Relay. but then I'll just rename it to Custom Relay X. On the file path, I create a new folder for custom symbols. I then move it out of the IC 60617 library to keep custom symbols separate. And you can also have a custom location for the image of the symbol. Then you click OK. It then asks you for the insertion point, which I said I would specify on screen. I pick the bottom corner of the relay. It is very common for people to choose the terminal, because if you choose the terminal, when you insert it, you can place it directly on a wire, but it's down to personal preference. Finally, it asks you, do I want to insert the symbol after saving? I choose yes. I place the symbol in a blank area of the drawing. AutoCAD Electrical shows all the property defaults we set earlier. I click OK, and now we can see the final symbol. To test it, I draw wires to the terminals, and you can see they trim and connect perfectly. Everything behaves exactly like a built-in AutoCAD Electrical symbol. And that's how you create a custom relay symbol directly inside Symbol Builder. Clean, simple, and fully compatible with AutoCAD Electrical. If you want to follow up on custom PLC symbols or adding your symbols to the icon menu, let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.